Let's first highlight the duplicate values for your reference using conditional formatting. Now for true-false method, first sort the data A to Z or Z to... Now write this formula the same way. Drag down to the bottom. Now you can see true or false values in the cells. True represents all the duplicate values, and false represents all the unique values. Now let's check one user for an example. In this, you can see only one value is false, and the other two are true, which are the duplicate ones. If you want to keep only unique, delete all the true ones. Now let's check if our data still contains the duplicate values using conditional formatting. As you can see that now all the duplicate values have been deleted. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.